In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, please navigate to the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com, which is the official website for this HP printer. Please click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to this new page where it will welcome you to the software and driver for HP LaserJet P2015. So here you need to select the software and drivers below. Click on this driver universal print driver, and then you need to scroll down, and there you can see two types of version. Please proceed to this first version, okay, which is HP Universal Print Driver for Windows PCL6, and click on this download button, and in that way you can start the downloading process. So in order to check the download progress, just have to navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon, and there you can see the file that you are going to download. So in my case, I have already downloaded it, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait until it would be done. Once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cut icon, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click here and go with paste. So once you have pasted the zip file that you have downloaded, you need to extract it. So in order to extract it, you can make a right click and go with extract all, or either use the WinRAR tool to extract this zipped file. So go with extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So in order to in order to install this print driver, go with this start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left side and go with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Once you have clicked this Bluetooth and devices, you'd be able to bring up the settings of that. Go with the printers and scanners. And in this page or section, sorry, go with advice, click on it. The moment you click on it, kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait until you can see or open a window where you can find a printer by other options. So once it's here, go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with the next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 1, 2, or 3. Then click on the next here and go with have disk, and you need to navigate to the browser. Okay, so since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down, proceed to the extracted file, double tap, and here you go. You'll be able to see a list of drivers. Select any of that. Okay, so click on open and click on the OK. And there you have that. You just have to select on the version 7.7.0, click on next, and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP LaserJet or HP LG space P2015. Then click on the next once you're done renaming, and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once the procedure or the process has been completed, click on next and Cloud finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in your Windows 11. Okay, so if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.